In liquid state, molecules move freely. Osmosis is a process by which molecules of a solvent tend to pass through a semi-permeable membrane from a less concentrated one, this equalizing the concentration on each side of the membrane.
To explain, we'll use salt water of different concentration. For example, imagine there's a selectively permeable membrane separating a salt solution of high concentration and low concentration. Assuming net flow of water molecules will be diffusing from the less concentrated solution to the more concentrated solution. This is to have salt solution of the same concentration on both sides.
Osmosis helps a lot in modern medicine. This concept is used in hemodialysis or dialysis. For patients without proper functioning kidneys, a substitute would be a clinical purification of blood by dialysis. Basically, the dialysis machine makes and monitors the dialysate. Dialysis is the fluid that helps remove the unwanted waste product from the blood. It regulates the level of mineral in our body. When referring to chemistry, dialysis is the separation of particles in a liquid on the basis of difference in their ability to pass through a membrane. But when relating it to medicine, dialysis is the clinical purification of blood by dialysis as a substitution for the normal function of kidney. Before any patient is being treated with hemodialysis, a doctor makes an entrance into the patient's blood. It can be at the neck, arm or leg. The best access for most patients is at the fistula. Once the access is made and healed, 2 needles are inserted in the fistula, one on the artery side and one on the vein side. The blood drains into the dialysis machine. The machine has 2 parts. One is for blood and one is for the dialysate. A very thin semi-permeable membrane separates the 2 parts. As the dialysis process on one side of the membrane and blood to the other, particles of waste from the blood pass through microscopic holes in the membrane and the blood is being cleared by the dialysate. Blood cells return to the body as the cells are too large to pass through the membrane.
Okay, today we'll be asking around about dialysis to students. Let us start our interview. Excuse me.
Yeah?
May I ask you a few questions on dialysis?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, the first question. What is dialysis?
It is a way to expel waste products from the blood when the kidney stops functioning properly.
Oh, okay. The next question is, how does it work?
It uses the concept of osmosis. Water products and water diffuse from the blood across a semi-permeable membrane and into a dialysis solution.
Okay, thank you. Let us another student. Excuse me.
Yes.
May I ask you a few questions?
Alright, sure.
Okay. The first question is,
Yes.
what to expect when going through dialysis?
Well, first of all, it doesn't really hurt, but there may be a few side effects such as low blood pressure, nausea, muscle cramps, and also feeling tired. But taking care of your diet can also help lessen the side effects.
Okay, the second question is, any advice to the public?
Yes. Although dialysis is an amazing medical breakthrough, our kidneys are still the best dialysis machine out there. Dialysis is costly and also a waste of time, so take good care of our kidneys.
Oh, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Okay, thank you for all. That's all for our interview. Thank you.
So let's conclude. The concept of osmosis is a movement of water molecules passing through a semi-permeable membrane, which can be applied in many ways. In this documentary, we talked about using this concept in the field of medicine, specifically in dialysis. With the help of dialysis, people with malfunctioned kidneys would still be able to expel any of the waste products from the body, and this is truly a modern medicine breakthrough that we should be proud of.